So I have my first layers of E's on. I have E12, E14, E16, E14, and E12. I like to stack because I'm super hard on my lashes, and when I don't stack, they kind of separate and they move around too much. So I'm going to stack with, I think maybe E or F12s right here, just because that's what I have. And the band is really straight, so makes it really secure. I just put Whisper Light, white Whisper Light on the bottom. How do I show this? Just like the bottom, I don't even know, half a centimeter. And then I use these kind of tweezers to place them. So right in between where they crack. Where they crack. I just said where they crack. Please. Then I go in with the wand and just fuse it down. And I'm gonna use some E16s because I'm so extra. E is for extra. I'm extra, if you can't tell by my hair. I kind of use this finger to like push it down because it's not sticky. And fuse with my wandum. Okay. And I kind of stacked or overlapped these ones, so I don't know if I'm gonna add any more right there. I'm just making it so it's like a seamless line. And I use my fingers sometimes. Okay. So I will grab, so this is my plate of clean gossamers. I put them in rubbing alcohol, 91% isopropyl alcohol, and I leave these in for like a week. Everybody says 30 minutes, but I leave these in there for a week while so I use one set and then I take them off, put them in here, clean them for a week, and then I change my gossamers every week. This is so awkward. Okay, so where did my, there it is, 12. So I'm gonna work on this side now. So just overlap where that crack is. Crack. Here we go. Oh, there was an eyelash in there. There was a natural eyelash in there that I went to go take out. See? Oops. I don't want those stuck. There we go. And then my 16 right there. I don't like when there's gaps anywhere in between. So I just fill them in. Blow. Hola. There we go. And then see, there's a gap right here. So when I go like this, there's that gap. I don't like those. So I think I'm gonna do a 14 right here, just because, I don't know, because I feel like it. It feels like it needs a 14, not a 16. So I'm just gonna pick from my plate and grab one that I think looks good, will look good right there, I don't know. I need to hurry up. This video is way too long already, and I'm not entertaining enough. I can't talk while I'm doing it at the same time. All my kids have to be sleeping or in school. Good. Okay. Are they extra enough? Okay, so let them dry for a second. Make sure your whisper light is sealed all the way. Seal that thing so it doesn't dry out. And then I take Night Bond. And I don't know if you're supposed to do it this way, but these things last forever. So this is how I do it. I started Lashify before there was a whole bunch of tips about how to do it. So this is how I ended up doing it. So I just paint a line underneath. My lash line right there. Everybody else says not to fuse, but while it's wet, I fuse. Just a little bit. Like that. I don't know why, I just do it. Then I do the other side. And I connect all of the edges with each other. And I fuse while it's still wet because I'm rebellious. And then I let them dry. I need one of those blow things. Blow. I had like a baby sucky, like those nose suckers, and that's usually what I use to dry it, but, or just walk around for a while, you know, clean, do dishes, whatever. But for this video, I will just do it right away. So I take glass, super weird, and I kind of see where, well, I'll do this side, kind of see where the base of my eyelashes touch both of my fingers, like that, because I don't want to get the glass on this or it'll turn like white and gross and hard. So I just take it like this, and then I just squish it in there. And I make a really ugly face while I do it. So hopefully nobody is judging me too hard, because it's really ugly. Do the other side. See the ugly face? Voila. And then that's it. They're done. What do you think?